Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2019 Acura RDX and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once the headlight is prepped, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and then Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film to the headlight, and we need to start by aligning the film to this edge here first. So before we align it, we can start applying Tack Solution on this edge. That way the adhesive on the film starts to activate more faster. So align it right on the edge, keep it aligned, spray Tack Solution on top, hold it in position, grab your squeegee, and tack it down slowly. Make sure to remove any solution behind the film, that way it stays secured to this section. And we're slowly going to make our way to tacking down up to the middle section right here. So once this section is secured, we can move on with the next step, which is stretching the film to the edge right here, and then we'll focus afterwards aligning it to the middle section here. Okay, so we need to stretch the film to align it to the edge here. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, place it back down, and apply Tack Solution just around the edge right here. That way once the film reaches to the edge, we can start tagging it down. So stretch it just like that, right up to the edge, and apply Tack Solution on top. Hold it in position, grab your squeegee, and start tagging it down to secure it. You want to tack down a good amount, that way the tint on the headlight stays secured and it doesn't shift when we secure it on this bottom section. You can also apply heat around this area while holding it in order to help the adhesive activate faster. Let the film cool down just a bit, but make sure you're still holding it. Grab your Tack Solution, spray it on top, and tack it down one more time. This is just so we can make sure that the film stays anchored on this section and it doesn't move. Make sure you're still holding it, double check and see if the film is secured, and once it's secure, we can move on with the next step, which is aligning it here. So all we need to do now is lift the film carefully, apply Tack Solution, make sure this area is dry, pull the film down towards the edge here. Once you have it on the edge, apply Tack Solution so we can start securing it here. And you can also apply heat to help the adhesive activate faster. And apply Tack Solution and tack it down one more time. And if you have fingers like these two here, we could remove them by applying heat and Tack Solution, but we'll focus on those afterwards. We need to make sure we secure this top piece now. So same process, apply Tack Solution and a little bit of heat, that way we could shrink the fingers. So like I mentioned, just focus on removing the fingers on the top and on the bottom. Apply Tack Solution and use your heat gun to help shrink the fingers. If you need to separate them, just use your finger to separate them to make them smaller. Do the same for the top. Just apply heat, and with your fingers separate them little by little to make them smaller. And once you applied a good amount of heat, then what we're going to need to do is wrap our microfiber towel around your squeegee and just tack it down to secure and remove the finger. And you would do the same for the top area. So just take your time doing this step, squeegee at an angle, and just repeat this process until you're done removing the fingers. And then once this is done, you can move on to post-heating the headlights. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation is to pulse heat the entire headlight. So all you need to do is apply tack solution all over the lens. And with your heat gun, apply heat throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. And if there's still any film lifting, we could help it tack down by applying heat. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2019 Acura RDX. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.